Java, a programming language that is used almost everywhere. Some of us like it while others try to avoid it as much as they can. Let's learn Java in 5 minutes. But before that, why Java is so popular? Why was it developed in the first place? To find answer to these questions, let's go back in time and explore how Java was born. In the early 1990s, there was a growing need for a platform-independent language to write software that could run on various electronic devices. While C and C++ were the popular choices at the time, they were considered platform dependent. So, there was a need for platform independent language. Recognizing this need, in 1991, James Gosling and his team began developing a new programming language initially named Oak, but later it got a name change in 1995 to something you are probably very familiar with, Java. Fast forward to today, Java stands as one of the most widely used programming languages, and it is used everywhere, from Android development, web application, gaming, embedded systems, and more. Its syntax is similar to C and C++ language, but with automatic memory management that makes it more secure. The mantra of Java is write once, run everywhere, highlighting its platform independence. Unlike C or C++, where source code is compiled into machine language, Java compiles source code into bytecode, which can run on any platform using the Java Virtual Machine. This unique feature makes Java both a compiled and interpreted programming language. To embark on your Java journey, the first step is to create a class using the class keyword. It's important to note that your file name should match your class name. Oh, and remember, Java is an object-oriented programming language, so you should be familiar with some basic object-oriented programming concepts.
I don't have any idea what that means.
Don't worry, I've got your back. A single line of code is a statement. When you group multiple statements together, you create a function. Then, when you group multiple functions and statements, you create a class. Think of a class as a template that describes how to create something. Let's take a real-world example. A car. Imagine a class as the basic blueprint of a car, where you can define its characteristics like color and the number of wheels. These are called attributes. To create a car with these attributes, you use a constructor, which has the same name as the class itself. A car can perform actions like starting, stopping, honking, and more. To define these actions for a car, you create functions within the car class. These functions are called as methods.